하나 물어볼게 꿈에서도 너가 둥둥 떠가.
Hey guys, it's Rina. So this is a workshop view that we went through on last Tuesday and Thursday. We did Very Nice by 17. That was kind of hard, but everyone did a good job. Just so you know that this workshop opens for any level and ages. And we are currently doing this workshop every Tuesday and Thursday in Arizona. I also posted this tutorial video on my second channel called Dance Workshop by Rina Ohkuma. So make sure to scroll down, find the URL, and let's dance together. Please give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and have fun. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 또 하나 물어볼게.
너는 뭐야 어떡해 아주 나이스. Nice. Give up. Nice. 아주 nice. 뭐 하나 물어볼게